Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Jeep Wrangler Moab 392. So last week I was at the Detroit Auto Show. I didn't have a lot of chance to talk about this whole news cycle about what's happening with the Moab 392, but luckily my cohort Jared Belfort posted a whole article about it on Mopar Insiders, which you can go and read. But I just want to kind of go over it a little bit, and that is the fact that now the 2026 Jeep Wrangler Moab 392 has met CARB standards for all 50 states, and now it's available in all 50 states. So it doesn't matter where you live in the US, you can go to a Jeep dealer and actually order one of these 6.4 liter 392 cubic inch HEMI V8 powered Jeep Wranglers. Now I will say that I heard from an official, obviously this is a limited edition model, it's part of the 12 for 12 program, and they haven't confirmed if it's going to be for 2027 or not. Basically 2026 is what they're saying, and because they want to sell the ones that are coming to lots. But yeah, I mean, it's a little different than the Rubicon 392, obviously. If you look at the vehicle, there's no winch up front. It's got a little more upscale interior in it, and it's just enough subtle changes to kind of, justify, hey, the 392 is back. It's not in the Rubicon anymore. It's in a different trim. But they really didn't want to tick off Rubicon 392 guys, which had their final edition in 24 and then their final edition in 25. So we don't know if this vehicle's coming back just yet. It probably will, more than likely, in my opinion, because we know how Jeep is with getting back into the normal cycle with all the other brands of, reintroducing stuff after Carlos Tavares. But honestly, they haven't talked about anything after 2026. On top of that, let's talk about another 392 product real quick. Everybody's been asking questions. Hey, when's the Durango, going to be available with the 392 cubic inch V8? We haven't heard nothing. We know that Dodge is working to get that thing CARB certified. Now that the Wrangler is CARB certified, I guarantee we'll hear something very, very soon. But it will probably be in the next few weeks. I know it's going to be a late availability, vehicle, but they are starting to ramp up 392 production at Saltillo probably in the next couple of months. So hopefully we'll be seeing that vehicle hit just after winter. So I haven't had anything in stone just yet, but stay tuned for that. Like I said, hopefully in the next few weeks we'll hear about the Durango RT 392. So again, if you want a Wrangler Moab 392, you can go into a dealer in all 50 states and order one. So let me know what you think down below about the Moab 392. Do you think it's just, Jeep cashing in? Are you glad the Hemi is back? Let me know in the comments below. And make sure to hit like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Requesting clearance for drop.
You are cleared. Over.
Payload away. Clean release.
Good drop. You are cleared to egress.